Part 3 of Part 3 of Coiny ASMR. Coiny ASMR sounds. Is that an ASMR sound?
Ilagay mo dyan sa isang tabi.
Yeah! Yeah, I'm just getting it so I can put it. You know. Oh! It's a butter now. Okay. Now, give me that. Oh, I'm getting all these. I'm getting these.
Lagay mo doon, para bibilangin ko
Wait
na.
nga lang, bibilangin ko din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. Huwag mo pang kunin.
Ayan.
Mama naman. Sorry guys, I speak in another language. Diesel. That if you get these 5 pesos, you can buy 100k things in our you know,
Ang cellphone mo ba? Hindi nagagamit?
wala nga ganun yung cellphone ko eh. Funny as you na. Joking. You only buy 5 things. You can only buy 1 thing in this. Bro, this coin suck. Bro, suffer for your life. Suffer for your life. Hey, stop. Stop. So I'm not doing part 4 anymore. Sorry, but I'm gonna play. Dude. Bye bye. If you want to tell us first for the end of the video.